That's good. That's good to hear, man.
We go to church on Sunday.
What year is it again?
67.
67. It's a Catalina, huh?
Catalina.
326 or 350?
400.
400. Oh my goodness.
Barrel, yeah.
He's done the HEI conversion.
Got a 400 trans in it.
Okay. Lord, yeah, that's a beautiful car. Look at this, guys. Catalina.
I don't know when they. I think this is that one car.
I don't. Well, they've quit coming in, but there's not too many folks have left yet.
Yeah.
These cars had the most. All these old Pontiacs had some of those beautiful styling on the, especially on the rear end.
They had a lot of lines on.
Yeah, they did a really good job.
Some nice lines.
Makes you what happened in the 90s. They had such beautiful cars in the 70s and 60s.
55 Chevy, man. I like the 55 and 67, but I like the 55.
Right.
I like the roundness of
Right.
the European look.
A lot of 55 Pontiacs gave up parts to make 55 Chevys.
Yeah. I love that 55. I had a 55. I wish I had never sold that.
I bet, yeah.
That was one of my.
You just don't see them anymore.
One of my hate I sold type deals.
Yep. I know it, man. Well, I hope you made good money on it.
Nah, I didn't do that good because I sold it 98. I sold it for 10 grand.
Yeah. How nice was it?
It needed restoring. It needed some paint and interior stuff.
As one of the first cars I videoed on the channel is a 55 Pontiac wagon. He was asking 10 for it, and it needed to be restored. It was pretty rough.
Yeah.
But
mine was good though. You could drive it. It had a good wrench motor in it.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot, I'd have drove that thing to daggone Florida.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have thought none of it. That's how dependable it was. But it wasn't good on gas.
It's like a Target Master engine, or
no, I had a good wrench.
Good wrench. Okay.
You know the factory good wrench.
Right.
You could buy a good wrench.
Crate motors.
Sit it in there,
Right.
crate motor.
Yeah.
And he had a single plane carb on it though to start with.
Yeah.
That thing jerk your head back, but the gas, boy.
Yeah.
I said, Edelbrock.
Yeah.
I went to Edelbrock, put an Edelbrock top on it,
Yeah.
former intake with
Right.
a little Edelbrock carb. And you know what? That thing saved me on gas.
I
and
bet.
It was cruising.
It lost some power though.
Lost some power. Lost some power. I lost a bunch of
Seems like there's always a trade-off on that, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
All right, buddy. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too, man. I think I'm gonna slip out of here.
All right, I'm gonna video you leaving then.
I hate to see everybody leave at once.
Is your hood closed? It's still up a little bit.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. You want me to push it down?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess that's all it goes. Okay. I'm gonna video you leaving. There's some great lines on that car. I've always thought they had that futuristic look to them. All right, buddy. Have a safe trip back home.
Y'all have a good one now. I like that car. Get on down to the next place.
Hers like a kitten. Just old big American cars or something else.